Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Oscar Health Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Oscar Health Insurance, begin by visiting the official Oscar Health website. Look for the Get Started or Member Login option on the home page. Click on that option to access the member portal. If you are a new member, select the option to register for a new account. Enter your personal information as prompted, including your name, email address, and date of birth. You may also need to provide your Oscar Health member ID number. Once you have filled in the necessary details, create a secure password for your account. After creating your account, check your email for a verification message from Oscar Health. Follow the link in that email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the member portal and log in using your new credentials. Inside the portal, you will find options to activate your insurance. Follow the prompts to provide any additional information required for activation. You may need to review and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing these steps, your Oscar Health Insurance will be activated. Keep a record of your policy number for future reference. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to Oscar Health customer support. They can assist you in resolving any problems you may face. Congratulations, you're now ready to use your Oscar Health Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.